This is the St Cuthbert's Way. Just seeing how far I'll go along here and then make up my mind whether I want to backtrack on myself or find a different way back. Yeah, so the St Cuthbert's Way is an old pilgrimage from Melrose and the Scottish borders all the way to Lindisfarne or Holy Island. I think it takes 4 or 5 days to hike it, but depending on how many miles you do each day. I think that's around 12 or 13 miles or something per day. Driving up, and it was chucking it with rain on the way here. I'm pretty surprised at how nice it is here. The weather is really, I mean, touch wood, fingers crossed, whatever. It's holding up for me now. It is a bit gloomy, like overcast weather or whatever, but I'm having quite a nice day. It's just adds to the atmosphere, really. I think I've came up with a plan of action. So in the background, you can see that over there. I don't know if I'm pointing to whatever there, but that's Humbleton Hill. Right now I'm still on St Cuthbert's Way. I'm going to follow that a little bit further, and I'm going to backtrack over the top of Humbleton Hill, and then take another route off of there, which will lead me back to the road into Willa, and I think that'll be enough for today. It's kind of how I imagine things playing out before anyway, following St Cuthbert's Way for a little while and then making up my own way back. Last weekend I was over at the Lake District. I visited Air Force waterfall, which is near Ullswater, and then done a little walk around Ullswater. Hopefully by the time this video is online, the video I took with my drone and things should be up on YouTube as well. So if you haven't seen that yet, check that out. That's quite nice though. It snowed on the way there, and then all the tops of the mountains was covered in snow, so it made everything look really nice. Hopefully next week I'll be doing another hike somewhere in the Cheviot range, possibly Hedgehog Hill, the TBC. If I do Hedgehog Hill next week, I'll end up parking at Langleyford again, then going up from the car park there. I know that's a bit of a brutal climb up, but I kind of fancy doing that. So yeah, maybe that. We'll see. So up until this point I've been following the St Cuthbert's Way, but now there's a fork in the road and I'm going to take the right turn and leave St Cuthbert's Way. This will take me over the top of that hill, and then back to the car that way. So yeah, the St Cuthbert's Way has been pretty well signposted. You can see this little sign here. I'll turn you around. Yeah. So like I said, if I wanted to St Cuthbert's Way, I'd keep going straight. But I'm going to take this other public footpath down here, which should take me on top of that hill and then back towards the car. So that's my plan. See you in a bit. The scenery here is unreal. It's getting windier the higher up I go and the colder I get as well. So I don't want to be hanging out too long. Alright, so I've made it to the top. It's pretty windy here. I doubt you can probably hear me on the microphone. I'm in here just to get out the wind, have a quick sandwich and a drink. And I think it's probably too windy to get my drone up. I might try, but I think I'll just complain about the wind. So I'll have a quick sandwich here and then quite windy. I managed to get my drone up. Really surprised at how well it handled the wind. I had it up for maybe 5 to 10 minutes or something like that, and then the battery died. Well, it didn't die, it just warned me that it was running low, so I landed it. I think with the wind it's had to work extra hard, so the battery drained like really fast. Normally I get about half an hour per battery. So yeah, that's the hill I've just came off. That's where I was flying my drone. And I've come down there, crossed a little gate here, and then I'm going to be going down this path into Humbleton, and then from Humbleton into Wheeler.